Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off comment suggestions in Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, if you want or if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's proceed with our tutorial. So here we want to open our Instagram app, and after that we will click on the profile picture so we can be able to access our settings and privacy menu. And here we want to just click on these three horizontal lines, and that will take us to the settings and privacy. And from there, we will want to go to content preferences. Here you will have this how you use Instagram section. You will have for professional section, depends on your account type, who can see your content section, etc. What we are interested in is how others can interact with you, and there is this what you see. So from here, you will find these content preferences, and here we want to click on it. So make sure to choose your preferences and then go to most interested stuff, choose specific words and phrases that you want to be showing, etc. And you can also snooze suggested posts in feed, and you will want to start like enable this one many times, so this will just hide your suggested posts in feed for 30 days. So each 30 days make sure to re-enable this feature, and that would also remove all your suggested content, and this way you will be able to remove also the comments. Even if you go to the comment section, you will be able to start like filtering, or you will have comment controls. You will be able to either turn on, this is for us as creator. So let's just go here to the comments, and you will start having filters. Depends on the type of the comments. You might have some filters like to uh, hide some kind of comments, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.